morning, dear students. Let us continue with our lesson number 1, Shapes and Spatial Understanding. But before that, we shall just recall what we studied in our last class. We studied the different types of lines and to distinguish between straight line and curved line. In today's class, we will be studying the geometrical attributes of objects which roll or slide, identifying the 2D shapes and to understand their features, and also learn to identify basic 3D shapes and their features. Let us learn the features of geometry, what rolls and what slides. Students, look at the picture. What can you see there? You can see some activity. What is that? Slides and rolls. Some object roll and some slide. Now let us learn what rolls and what slides. What slides? Object with plain surface will slide. Example, wooden plank, book, etc. What rolls? Object with curved surface will roll. Example, ball, marbles, etc. Objects with plain and curved surfaces will roll and also slide. Example, coins, carom pawn. Students, here are some objects with a plain surface. Can you see? Plain surface. It has a plain surface. The objects with the plain surface will slide. Just we'll see with this object. See, it slides. The objects with the plain surface slides. Students, objects with a curved surface. See here, with the curved surface will roll. Curved surface. See here. Here are some objects which can both roll and slide. It has a plain surface. This is the plain surface and it has a curved surface. So the objects with the plain surface and the curved surface will roll and also slide. Now let us see how it rolls and slides. Let us first see how it slides. See here. See the object how it rolls. Students, look at the picture of the house. Observe the different shapes in the picture. You can see some shapes. These shapes are two-dimensional or 2D shapes. Now what is two-dimensional or 2D shapes? A flat, plain figure or a shape that has two dimensions, length and width, are called as two-dimensional or 2D shapes. These shapes do not have any thickness. Let us identify these shapes. This shape is called as square. A square has 4 sides and all 4 sides of a square are equal. This shape is rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Shape is triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. This shape is circle. A circle is a shape bounded by curved line. Let us learn what are 3-dimensional or 3D shapes. A solid figure or an object or shape that has 3 dimensions, length, width and height, are called as 3-dimensional or 3D shapes. Now let us identify these 3D shapes. Students, this is a cube. Now let us see some objects which resemble cube. This is cuboid. Now let us see some objects which resemble the shape of cuboid. This is cylinder. Now let us see some objects which resemble the shape of cylinder. This is cone. Now let us see some objects which resemble the shape of cone. This is sphere. Now let us see some objects which resemble the shape of sphere. Now let us learn what are edges and corners. What are edges? A edge is a line segment on the boundary line of a surface. Corner is a point where lines meet. Students, look at the picture. You can see some objects. There you can see the edges. The boundary line of any object is called as edge. And also you can see the corner. And some objects have curved edge. Look at the picture there, children. Students, in this object, let us learn which is a edge and which is corner. You can see this line here at the boundary is a edge. This is edge. This also is a edge. And where this edges meet at this point, this is called as corner. This is the edge and this point is called as corner. Okay, this is an object with straight edge. Now let us count the edges of this object. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this object has 12 edges. Now let us count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this object has 8 corners.